Hi student, we already seen format of profit and loss appropriation account. I hope you understand and revise perfectly because it is very necessary when we are solving the problem. That time format is very important. You must know about the format because we add the information related to format. Other information we will not record it in the format. So that's why we will take one example from your question bank. First problem of a C section 6 marks question. So look at your problem. Sachin and Pratham commence business in a partnership on 1st April 2015. It means Sachin and Pratham there are two partners and they started a business in a partnership on 1st April 2015 with a capital of rupees 1 lakh and rupees 80,000 respectively. It means Sachin invested 1 lakh and Pratham invested 80,000 respectively, agreeing to share profits and losses in the ratio of 3 is to 2. Means their profit sharing ratio is 3 is to 2. 3 is for Sachin and 2 is for Pratham. For the year ending 31st March 2016, it means it's a year end date. What is 31st March 2016? They earned the profit of rupees 36,000 before arriving. Means their profit is how much? 36,000 before allowing, means before paying interest on capital, interest on drawing and salary to the partners. So first adjustment is interest on capital at a 5% per annum. So on in capital means Sachin invested 1 lakh. On 1 lakh 5% means 1 lakh into 5%. This amount have to pay confirm pay to the partners. Same amount, same means Pratham invested 80,000. So on 80,000 5% means 80,000 into 5%. So this is your first adjustment. Second one, interest on drawing. So they already given the amount, directly given amount. Sachin rupees 600 and Pratham rupees 1000. Third adjustment, yearly salary of Pratham rupees 6,000. Yearly means annually salary rupees 6,000 for the Pratham, and commission to Sachin rupees 4,000. Means Sachin have to pay, firm have to pay to the Sachin 4,000 commission. Last adjustment, they are trying during the year Sachin rupees 16,000 and Pratham rupees 20,000. So this is an unnecessary adjustment or unnecessary information because in profit and loss appropriation account there is a no drawing items. Drawing we recorded in a partner's capital account, not in a profit and loss appropriation account. That's why this drawing amount we will not record in a profit and loss appropriation accounts. So we will solve now problem. Now we will prepare the format of profit and loss appropriation account. So format is very important. We will enter the value according to the format. So they are having a two side, a debit side, a credit side. So debit side we will record the all expenses and losses, and credit side we will record the all income and gains according to business profit and business loss. So in your question given first capital balance of partners. This capital balance we recorded in a partners capital account. So we will not record in a profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account we will record only interest on capital, interest on drawing and salary and commission. So next in question given the amount of profit means current year profit 36,000. This 36,000 is our income. That's why we will record at the credit side of profit and loss appropriation account. Next they given the interest on a capital at a 5% per annum. So we are company how a company, otherwise a firm, have to give the interest to the partners. So this is a loss of a business. That's why we will record it in a debit side. Interest on capital. So they are having two partners. First one is Sachin. Sachin invested 1 lakh. So on a 1 lakh we have to means 1 lakh into 5% is equal to 5,000. Next partner is a Pratham. Pratham invested 80,000. 80,000 into 5% means 4,000. So 5,000 plus 4,000 is equal to 9,000. We will record it in a column. Next, in question given interest on a drawing. So interest on drawing is 600 for the Sachin and 1,000 for the Pratham. So interest on drawing is the income of a business. That's why we recorded in a credit side. Sachin 600, Pratham 1,000. So total is 1,600. Next, in question given a yearly salary of Pratham 600 and commission to Sachin 4,000. So first we record only salary of Pratham. This is a yearly salary. That's why we will directly record 6,000. Suppose they are given a monthly salary. That time we have to multiply by 12. So here directly given yearly. That's why we recorded directly 6,000. Next, commission to Sachin rupees 4,000. We recorded already. Next is in question given drawings amount, means they are drawing during the year Sachin 16,000 and Pratham 20,000. So in a profit and loss appropriation account we will not record a drawing amount. Only we recorded interest on a drawing. This amount we recorded in a partner's capital accounts. Now check out the both the side, which side is a more than another sides. In this problem, credit side is a more than a debit side. So credit side total is 37,600. So from credit side total we minus a debit side total, then we will get 18,600. That this is a profit of the partners. This profit we have to distribute between the two partners, means Sachin and Pratham. So in this question given the profit sharing ratio 3:2. So this ratio we will use here. So profit sharing ratio 3:2 means total profit is a 5. 3 plus 2. So out of this total profit means 5. Sachin's profit sharing ratio is 3 divided by 5 and Pratham profit sharing ratio is equal to 2 by 5. So that's why this profit we have to distribute between two partners. So at the last this 18,600 into 3 by 5 is equal to 11,160, and for the Pratham 18,600 into 2 by 5 is equal to 7,440. So total is 18